Hey everybody, it's George back with another video. This will be my official entry video for Tim Hosey's 2017 Ford Truck Month. This is a stall project. It's a '69 Ford F100 by Mobius. I started this kit about a year ago for my Model Car Club's show where the theme was pickup trucks. Unfortunately, I couldn't put in the time to get it done for our show, but I've been anxious to start it up again. So when Tim announced this Ford Truck Month community build, I felt it was a good opportunity to support Tim's build off, and also finally give me a good reason to get back into this build. My vision for this truck is to build a Shelby inspired F100. I will be kit bashing a 2010 Revell Shelby Mustang GT500. I will be using like the Mustang's supercharged V8, and incorporate all the Shelby badging and parts like the interior and maybe the decals, and just make this a Shelby truck. All I've done to this truck is basically work on the chassis. As you can see, it's C-notched, and basically got it low as I can to the ground. It's give it an aggressive stance. I also worked on the firewall to try to get this supercharged V8 fit in there. So basically, it's gonna take some time to get it fit how I want it fitted. But basically, I just want a clean truck. I just wanted to screen Shelby as well. So basically, I also got a color scheme plan for this. I went with scale finishes. They have the Ford Canal Blue, which is the matching color for those Shelby GT500s. It's like a really dark blue metallic, so it's like a midnight blue. So I'm gonna be trying this paint for this truck. So hopefully everything works out, and I'm gonna take my time with this. I don't want to rush it. I want it to come out nice, and hopefully it comes out as good as I hope. So that's basically it for my video, my entry video. I appreciate everyone's comments on my first video and the support, and thanks for subscribing and the likes, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you very much.